Let's look at the patent found on the rootbrands.com science link for autism. Now, statistically, they're saying about 17% of kids born today are going to be autistic as diagnosed. And there's probably about that same number or more that are already diagnosed globally, primarily in the United States. So hopefully you've taken the time to watch my clinoptilolite zeolite video. If not, it's on our YouTube channel. We'll put a link under here. And maybe you watch the ADD and ADHD conversation that just probably precedes this on YouTube or on my Instagram. So let's look at the patent for the reversal of autism. What is autism? How do we answer this? Autism is not a disorder. Autism is a wiring of the brain that is being blocked and disrupted a little bit by mercury and other environmental toxins that is causing the brain to shift in how it functions. So one of the things that I've seen a lot of over the last 20 years of working with kids and adults and parents of children with kids that are in the spectrum is that you have to identify the gifts, right? A lot of these kids that are in the spectrum aren't very good at communicating, right? So they might lack empathy, or they might just be really blunt. It's not that they don't care. It's just that there's no filter. They might have amazing technical skills in different areas. It could be mathematics. It could be music. And these are all things that pertain to basically the numerological aspect of what happens in our environment. You see kids that are in the spectrum per se that are coding like crazy because it's all numbers, right? And I will tell you that here in the not too distant future, and I already have some colleagues that are like this that have been diagnosed as severely autistic, that are some of the best CEOs out there because they're able to look at numbers and see patterns in numbers that the lay people can't see. But let's unlock those key points that are blocked while not compromising the gifts. Here's the coolest part. As we've talked about what Clean Slate can do, because you have nature's most powerful detoxifying crystal in clinoptilolite that is processed in a way that doesn't destroy the binding capability of the crystal or the bioavailable silica that is so special in it. This is what makes Clean Slate and Clean Spirits. Then you need to allow the brain to have the fuel it needs to start functioning. That would be 0N, because this feeds the gut what it needs to make dopamine and serotonin. So if you have a kid that's in the spectrum, one, you have something that is really simple to use. You can take the capsules and you can open them and put them in any food that they like or any liquid that they like. Or if they can swallow capsules, they can do that. And you can moderate the dosage because depending upon the age of kids, you might not use a whole capsule. You could use a half a capsule or a quarter of a capsule by opening the capsule and sprinkling on some stuff. Clean Slate and Clean Spirits, you can add into any food. You can put it, it's best in water or juice. You can't taste it. And you can take it directly if you want to. This process starts to clean up the brain, the central nervous system, your pineal gland, your gut, your kidneys, your liver, your pancreas, your tissue, starts to reduce the systemic inflammation, which is also important here. But by the removal of the mercury and the lead and the aluminum and the glyphosate and all of these other components that you know are linked to the diagnosis, in a very short period of time, you'll see that the symptoms that led to the diagnosis go away. I'll use a case of Katie Blanchard and her son Finnegan. So Finn is a little older than 10 years old now. He was diagnosed as autistic around the age of 1 or 2. He's been nonverbal since he was 1 year old. And as any mom has done, and you can find Katie on social media, and you should, especially if you're a parent with a kid that's in the spectrum. You want to talk to Katie Blanchard. But what Katie had done for 9 years is pretty much the same thing that every parent had done. Anything she could to try to help her son. And he was still nonverbal, and he had his tics, and he had, the things that he was good at but couldn't really communicate. And a couple of her friends took the time to invest in her and got her a bottle of Clean Slate and a box of Zero In, and she started Finn with 1 drop of Clean Slate in the morning, 1 drop at night, and then a half a capsule of Zero In his food for breakfast the first morning. The next day, he was talking. Yeah, I said the next day, 24 hours. So if you can start cleaning stuff up and then you put the gas in the gas tank to allow the brain to have the neurotransmitters that it needs, the dopamine and serotonin, the lights come back on. This is not theory. This is the beautiful part of the intellectual property and the patent that's already filed. And it's on the rootbrands.com website. You can go up to the top left with the little lines, hit the drop down, go to science, look at patents. It's like the second patent for methods of autism. The reason that this patent was filed is over the last 6 years, we have many case studies, published, expert-reviewed, clinical case studies of kids that had been diagnosed of autism of all different ages that have had outstanding outcomes that if you're a parent that's working with a kid, you probably wouldn't believe. But they're published, and those outcomes based on these protocols is what led to the patents being filed. This is a completely different approach than what the pharmaceutical and biotech industry do when they're producing intellectual property. And I have yet to find any other companies in the world that actually already have patents filed, not just on theory, but on published, proven outcomes that let you know that things already work. So if you are a parent with a child that has been diagnosed as in the autism spectrum, I would strongly encourage you to do what I've done and what we've done with loads of families already. Try this. Clean Slate, Zero In, maybe a little Clean Spirits. It's going to change your kid's life. Here's the coolest part. It'll change yours.